Sharing moments is easy on Zangi. Let's quickly go through how to send photos and videos right from your chat. First thing, open the conversation where you want to share the photos and videos. Let me open the Zangi app first and let's go to the chat. So this is the Zangi app and let's go to the chat. Now look down here where you type the message. You will see a plus icon. Simply tap on it and that will provide you a fewer options. There's camera, gallery, location, file and contact. Now select the gallery and that will open the photos and video section for you. Now just select the photos that you want to send. Then after you are done, simply tap on next. Now you can just write the caption right over here. Or you can also add additional photo by tapping on this photo icon and plus right over here. And here you can see an layout from which you can show media as a separate messages too. And you can even edit this one by tapping on the pencil icon which is in top right corner. It's right over here. Tap on it. And from there you can just highlight it, erase it, crop it, add the text and do whatever you want by using these icons just down below. And after you are done, simply tap on done and tap on send button which is right over here. Tap on it and it's sent. And that's it. Your photos and videos are now being sent in that chat. See how simple that is. Give it a try next time you want to share something. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.